Sorry about that. And one more thing. This is something featured that normal keyboards don't have on an actual phone. What you do is, say you said H, but you meant to go to G. You click this thing right under this, and it takes you back. You can do that as many times as you want. Say I typed in Z and I wanted W. There we are. You can also select this to get into different modes, I guess. So you can get a triangle. That's why I like this keyboard, just because we can get things that this doesn't have, and it's just about as easy to type, in my opinion. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.